Prepare the items listed above. Step 1. Replace the wire feeder roller. We are using 1.6mm stainless steel wire. Select the 1.6 groove roller. For aluminum wire, use a 1.6U groove roll. Install with the 1.6 groove facing inward. Unscrew the wire spool cap. Mount the 1.6mm stainless steel wire spool. Feed the wire through the drive assembly as shown. Ensure the wire extends beyond the outlet guide. Set the drive low pressure dial to 3, 5. The procedure is identical for both external and internal wire feeders. Replace with the corresponding drive roller. Insert the welding wire into the dual wire feed assembly. Locate the external wire feed pole on the rear of the unit. Align the notch with the red alignment dots. Insert firmly and tighten the collar. Connect the other end to the external wire feeder. Insert the liner into the wire outlet on the feeder. Secure using a hex key Allen wrench.